guys. We're at Taco Bell.
This is huge.
Can I get fire sauce, please? Sure. I got my food. I think they gave me soft tacos instead of hard tacos. Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Hold on 1 second. We're not really ready.
What are they doing?
Do you guys just serve? Do you guys just serve like 4 drumsticks? Extra crispy.
All right, we coming back now.
Right.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Daniel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. I have some very special guests on my channel today. You obviously know Tarteist, but we also have here Paulina. These are my friends, Teresa and Paulina, and obviously you guys can see we are already beat. So we are already beat for you guys. We're gonna do something a little different. We are gonna do a little bit of a mukbang mixed with catchphrase. So we are gonna play the game.
Catchphrase.
Excuse me? Catchphrase.
Excuse me.
I've never played this game. So Paulina brought this over and I thought it would be really fun for us to try for the kids.
Tell us how to do this shit.
Yeah,
okay.
Explain, Paulina, because I have no effing idea what's going on.
So there's going to be a word that comes up on the screen, and you have to basically guess the word by giving... The other person has to guess the word by the clues that I give. So let's say the word is like bag. I'm going to be like bag, or I'll...
You can't say the answer, but you can describe it. So is it like charades?
Bitch, look, we didn't even start yet and you're eating. I'm sorry. Let's say the word is like Angelina Jolie. I could say like Brad Pitt's wife. Like,
you're not married anymore. No, are you kidding? Taco Bell!
We got McDonald's. And we got some KFC napkins for you hoes. But you know
so
what?
we're literally just gonna do a mukbang.
Mukbang, if you will.
I had a crunch wrap and a quesadilla and tacos.
I got fat bitch.
Yeah, let's just fucking start this game.
So, as you can see, we are gavones.
Right.
So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video.
Yeah. I was waiting to tell you on camera. Oh my god, thank you.
You should have fed it to her. That would be
I got the extra crispy.
Yeah. So, let's start this game, a catchphrase.
So, I'm gonna do entertainment. Are you ready?
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Okay, she was on SNL. She's like best friends with Amy Poehler.
Tina Fey.
Yes. Jersey Shore, The Hills, they're all like this category.
Reality TV.
Yes. Okay. She's blonde. She sings Genie in a Bottle.
Okay, so we just wasted 25 full minutes, so my phone stopped recording, so that effing sucks. We ate most of our food. I have this left. She has that left. Teresa has nothing left now. But we are back, and we played a full round up to 20. I won, by the way. So we're just gonna do it again. Oh, we also have a puppy.
This is Mr. Cannoli. This is little.
He's magnificently small.
So, let's get into this game.
Your dog's gonna get scared and run away.
No, he's not. He's used to that.
Okay.
He's used to people yelling.
We're gonna do entertainment. Okay. This is a messy news,
News.
No.
Tabloid.
Paris Hilton.
No, it's like on
TMZ.
TV. Yes. This is where celebrities walk at a premiere.
Red carpet.
Yes. When I'm singing without any instruments or...
Acapella.
Yes, Danny.
Okay, go, go, go!
Oh my god, she has blonde hair. She had an album called Metamorphosis. She's...
Here we go!
Yeah.
I had to get that one. I got three!
Never watched a movie.
Alright, so we're gonna do variety. You do this in school when you want to remember something for a test.
Write it down!
No.
Rewrite it!
No.
Take notes!
No. Yeah, there you go. You do this in court when someone...
trial!
No.
Rebuttal!
When you're a witness, you...
Testify!
There you go. Teresa got
But it's okay.
3.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have 0. I think. How pathetic.
What are we doing? Everyday life?
Sure.
I'm sweating now.
Let's try the world.
Let's do it.
We're both gonna lose.
Neither of us are
Hold on.
going.
Okay, this is where Brett Man lives, but what is that
Hawaii.
called? What is that cluster called?
An island of Hawaii.
West
No,
Coast.
but what is it called? You have the first
The
part
West
right.
Indies.
Island.
No, yeah, but what kind of islands?
Tropical islands?
Where is it? What kind of islands?
Pacific Islands.
Okay, this is where
Do something that I'm gonna know too. I don't know what the that is.
But listen, this is in Nevada.
Mm-hmm.
But
Grand Canyon.
it's the big
Las Vegas.
but what is it?
Las Vegas Strip.
Yep.
Boom!
The bike in another foreign country. It's
That's not.
No. It's like the name of the event. It's like a
I
So
know.
Tour de France.
Yes! Oh! Oh!
Do you want more mac and cheese?
Darlings?
Oh no.
You dropped it on him.
2 shots of vodka.
I wanna.
Anyway.
But how many did I get? How many do I have?
Maybe I'll put a counter at the bottom when I'm watching the footage or something.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, that would be. Let's do variety. Trey Songz. This is a Trey Songz song.
Bottoms up.
No, make him say. Okay. If you give me a birthday present, I have to write you a.
Thank you card.
Yes.
Let's do entertainment. Entertainment is fun with these two.
Let's do it.
She visits her grandma, and then the big bad wolf, and
Little Riding Hood.
yeah. He's in one of those like the
Chris Pratt. Star
no.
Trek. Avengers.
Oh,
No,
it's the big
no, the person, but not that one.
Chris Evans.
No.
Chris Pine.
Worth.
No.
Chris Hemsworth.
Yes, you win. That movie with Adam Sandler and Drew Barrymore.
50
it was
First Dates.
no, before that, like the
Oh,
first.
the wedding singer. The wedding singer.
Yeah. TV network that's all about laughing. Ha ha ha.
Comedy Central.
Yep. The boy who lived.
Harry Potter.
Yep. It's when you open your browser, it's the first thing that pops up.
Your
What-
browser?
Yeah.
Oh, Google.
No.
Yahoo.
What is the name?
What was it?
Page.
Dude.
What is this? Like the Jenna Julian podcast?
Like Thug Life. Alright, entertainment. Okay, there's obviously a rapist in
Lincoln Park!
Tyler is a polo blank model.
Pilot.
Ralph Lauren?
Ralph Lauren.
Yeah.
I said that.
He got it.
The first Spider-Man.
Tobey Maguire.
You love her, she's in Big Little Lies, blonde.
Reese Witherspoon.
Oh!
Captain America! Captain America!
Captain
Chris
America.
Evans.
Yes, my favorite. Oh, it was with Whoopi Goldberg. It was called
Sister
The
Act.
Color Purple.
No. It was a talk show.
The
View.
Yes. Oh,
One.
Indiana Jones. Yes.
Yes. 5, bitch.
Life is a prayer. I have a
Door.
But what is it?
I got 6, motherfucker.
I said a door.
I was literally going like this to the dog while screaming, like bracing him, like, what is it?
Wiener. Let's do fun and games.
Hold on, wait, time out. He's definitely scared. He's shaking.
Bye!
Oh. Okay, ready? Fun and games, go.
Okay.
When we go to the gym, we would wear this.
Leggings.
No, underneath our shirts.
Source bra.
Yes. This is so hard not to like direct it to you, but like you get attached to a wire and then you zoom.
Oh,
down.
ziplining.
Yeah. Sam did this. When you, it's an event where like they raise money.
A fundraiser. Make a wish.
No, and you like do something athletic.
Oh, a triathlon.
No.
You have to do something athletic.
It's like this amount of miles.
Marathon.
No.
A half marathon.
No. Oh my god, our kids should get together. They should have it.
Planking!
Yeah. This was a really big trend back in like 2010 where people will like do this.
Planking!
Yeah.
Planking!
Same
I
time.
win.
That was dead ass the same time.
No, but I said
need-
planking, bitch.
You're right.
You said plank.
If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk.
You're big stellies.
I need to eat.
Sorry, I'm looking. I'm such a pig.
I'm such a fake.
Okay.
I'm ready. Let's do
I'm gonna
it.
close my eyes.
You put this on dogs to not get those itchy shits.
Please.
Oh,
Food color.
tick.
There you go. You get these pulled. You have 4 of them. You don't need them.
Wisdom teeth.
Yeah.
Oh.
Single file.
Line.
No,
Line.
no,
Get in the
no,
line.
no,
Jump
no.
in the line. It's my turn.
Okay. So
I'm Leslie Monster. And this is Nightline.
I don't get the reference though. It's a late night Huda and I like to blush. Who is your favorite cheetah dancer? But what does she do? Like, what is her job?
ballerina.
What does she put together?
choreography.
Bella.
Hadid.
No, Bella, Edward,
Thorn.
Cullen.
Oh.
What is that called?
Twilight.
No, but what is it called?
The Twilight Saga.
Yep.
I win.
We are in a gated.
Community.
Oh, here I go again. What's the song?
My.
No. What's the
Mamma Mia.
Said it. Hey.
He's yellow. He's the dad. No, he's yellow. He's
Homer
the dad.
Simpson.
Yes.
Woo!
Homer Simpson from Taken. We love him. Liam Neeson. Yes. David Ryan Gosling. The Notebook. Oh, the cat and the mouse. The cat and the mouse. My
Tom and Jerry.
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ready. And download. Oh, this show is like in the 80s, and it was about
Cheers?
high school students.
90210.
No.
Saved by the Bell.
Yes. Oh my God! This movie we just watched, in their vows, they were like, "I'm gonna love you."
Forever.
And
Always. Forever and always.
no.
Forever and friend forever.
I'm gonna do entertainment for both of you.
Disgusting.
This is gonna be great. Entertainment!
Golf clap.
Alright, that show about the cooking and
Cake Boss.
no.
Oh.
Chop!
Yep, David Letterman.
The night show, a daily night show, a night show,
The Tonight
a talk show.
The Tonight Show.
There you go.
Boom.
The guy, he hosts another one,
Jimmy
but it's
Kimmel.
just his
Jimmy
name.
Fallon.
No, it's just his first name.
Conan.
There you go. He kills people in the Silence of the Lambs. What's his name?
Hannibal Lecter.
There you go.
And...
Oh! Parks and Rec, main character!
Oh, Leslie Knope.
Yes! She's really, really crazy. People say she's on crack. She has like a cooking talk show.
Oh,
And, like, chicken stock, EVOO, like,
Oh, Paula Dean.
no!
There's
EVOO. Rachel Ray. He plays
Sorry.
football. His name is the name of that cat, that, with Jerry. Okay, Tom Brady.
Oh. Oh, she's just starting.
Go.
Okay, you are so loud. You're being
Obnoxious.
Annoying.
when I get mad.
See red.
Yes. Oh, this car is so fast. It has a lot of
Horsepower.
That was like right at the same time.
I know.
I wanna go to the spa because I want to. Like, I'm
Relax.
really stressed out. I just wanna. But it's like
take a
load off.
vacation.
Yes, take a load off.
oh,
Yeet.
bang.
Yeet. Let's do everyday life.
Okay.
Ready, go.
You just got these done in your lips.
Lip fillers, injection, Botox.
Injection. My car, somebody had it before me, so it's
A used car.
Used.
A used vehicle.
Certified pre-owned.
Yeah.
You.
You smell really bad. You need to go.
Take a shower.
Yeah. These animals are bad luck. If you see one of these,
Black
Black
cat!
cat.
yes.
I win.
I'm
No,
not
I win.
feeling well, so I have to take one of these from work.
Advil.
Painkiller.
One of these
Sick
from
day.
work. Yes. Garfield is a
A cat.
Oh,
Fat
what-
cat. Orange cat.
No.
Lasagna.
Fat cat.
Yes, lasagna. I don't want to talk to you right now, so I'm gonna.
Ignore
a
you.
breather.
Give you the cold shoulder.
Give me some
What did you
space.
say?
Give me some
Give me
space.
cold shoulder.
You said ignore, so I'll give it to you.
Oh, did I? Oh.
Come on, yo.
AOL was a form of.
Chat. Instant
Email.
message.
Yeah, it was instant message.
You didn't win.
I got the beep. Yeah, I did.
No, it beeped and then you said it. So no, you suck.
Well, I still got 6, so.
What is the truth?
Did you get 6?
Yeah.
I got 5.
How did you get 6?
Okay.
I'm in there.
I can't do that.
I'm putting it in.
I'm putting it in.
Put it in!
Right. Go.
Bridget Jones' Diary. She's the actress.
Renee
Streep.
Zellweger.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ben! It's Ben! Ben!
Adam Scott.
Yeah!
Woo!
The 3 people wanted a bowl cut in like the 20s or whatever. It was
Oh,
black and
did you
white.
still say this?
Yeah.
Got it.
What the fuck?
Now I'm angry!
She was in Gothica. She
Now
was also
I'm mad.
Catman. She's got the short hair.
Halle Berry.
Yeah. Oh, that movie where it was a play and then got made into a 3-hour musical. No.
Hamilton.
White Noise Rob!
Yeah, you are.
I never even saw that shit!
I didn't even saw that shit, yo!
That movie is not PG-13, but
Adriana!
yeah. He played
Who sucks at this? Who really sucks at this?
Like. Okay, everyday life and
I'm so
go.
afraid.
What else?
I'm stopping this and changing the category because that shows.
Right.
What the is?
Fuck the mustard.
I would never know what that
What
is.
is that?
What is the
Cut the mustard.
What is that?
Fun and games. We'll try fun and games because y'all both suck at that category.
Oh, so Teresa and Danny over.
Kids go outside and
Play on the ground.
they go.
Blow bubbles.
Yes.
I win.
Sailors put this in the ocean.
Boxes.
Anchors.
Yeah.
Boxes. Bitch, I'm thinking of the Boston Tea Party vibe. Like, what? I didn't like this
Oh, I
shit.
do this all the time, and I'm like this. I'm like,
You're always late. Oh, play dead.
yes. You go here to like see the stars and shit.
Planetarium.
Yes.
What? Never even been. It just came out. I didn't even know I knew that word.
Right.
Planetarium. Like, what?
Right.
This is a place you go to see the stars and shit.
Stars and shit. The Big
Right.
Dipper. I don't know.
You stretch your body on a mat and shit.
Yoga. Pilates.
No.
Yoga Pilates.
Yoga body. Yoga.
Drink umbrella. You do this, you're running.
Jogging!
Yep, okay. But we're doing this right now.
Playing a game.
Screaming!
Playing a game.
Yep. You have this in school on recess. It's like a
Playground!
no, a monkey.
Blacktop.
Monkey bars!
well,
Playset,
monkey-
playset!
No,
Playset!
like a monkey YMCA. Think about the other words.
Monkey YMCA.
Jungle
A
gym.
jungle gym, yeah.
Teresa, you have orange on your face.
Oh, I'm so happy where.
Where?
Oh, it's-
Awesome.
Don't put it on your. Don't guide my
No.
finger, please. Yo, under my eye.
yeah, everyday life.
Yeah.
Do that.
It's I keep like it's in movies. They're always like, oh, I keep all my names and my hookups in my little.
Little black book.
Yes.
Whatever.
Happy to all our
Happy.
What?
to our dads.
Oh, happy Father's Day to
But
all
it's-
of our fathers.
Check that area because you can't see it in the car when you're
Blind
driving.
spot.
Yes.
Ah, California.
Oh, he was in Titanic. He's yeah.
Come on.
It's a.
I still won. I got 4.
No, you didn't. I got 4 too.
Oh, hi.
Again.
Okay. The key to having a good high five is looking at the other person's elbow.
I didn't know that.
You didn't?
No.
Okay. That was. I feel like I'm having like an anxiety attack.
This whole time, just like
Yeah,
on
literally
edge,
for like a
Right,
straight
right.
hour.
Oh yeah, you're right.
My body's a wasteland.
We don't know who won. My therapist won.
Honestly, we're just really wanted you to enjoy us screaming at each other.
That was a lot of fun. So thank you for that. All right, guys. Thank you so much for sitting through this absolute shit show. And
Thomas
thank,
Express! Beep beep!
thank you, Tarteist and Paulina, for joining me on my channel. I'm sure they will be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like me, if you like us, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell icon because we are not new to YouTube. We know that the subscribe button doesn't work. Thank you again, guys, so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.